In this video, you will learn to take your Spanish omelet skills to the next level. So I'm assuming that you already know how to make the basic Spanish omelet, or tortilla de patata as it's called in Spain. You can find links to our article below with the basic recipe and plenty of videos to see how it's made in Spain. But now I want to show you how to add ingredients to make your own variety of different types of tortillas. Now here's my special creation, which is a green pepper onion tortilla on the bottom layer, and then I made a bacon tortilla on the top layer, and in between I put slices of Havarti cheese and baked ham. Amazing, but you can use your imagination and your taste buds to make your own creation. So stick with me and let's see what we can do. My name is Brenda. I'm a specialist in cultural diversity. I've been living in Spain for 25 years. On this channel, we make videos about all aspects of cultural diversity to show you how to use it to make your life more fun and more fascinating. All right, so food is a great way to explore cultural diversity. Let's just whiz through the steps for adding different ingredients into your Spanish omelet, depending on what you like, what you think will taste good in the omelet. So here we go. All right, so here we have our ingredients. You'll find plenty of recipes for the basic tortilla on YouTube, and I've included links in the article that accompanies this video. So in this video, I've added a few different ingredients that you can use to spice up your tortillas. Just a few ideas. You can see I've got a little bowl of bacon. There is a little bowl of chopped up spicy Spanish chorizo. And we have a bowl of chopped green peppers. And now I'll show you how you can use those to make a sort of variation on the basic tortilla recipe. All right, so this is how I make my basic potato and onion mixture for the tortilla de patata. I put a very thin layer of oil, then I start caramelizing the finely chopped onions, and once they're sizzling, I will go ahead and put the chopped potatoes over the top of that, and then I just cover that up and let the potatoes get soft with the steam. Meanwhile, I've also fried up some green peppers, which I'll be putting into one of my tortillas. If I wanted all of my tortillas to have green peppers, I could have just put that into the other mixture, but I want that apart today. Does that look amazing or what? All right, for this green pepper tortilla de patata, I actually mixed the fried green peppers into the potato and onion and egg mixture. So here we go. That will go straight into the pan, like that. Now I tend to put less egg and more potato, onion, and whatever else I have in it because I like my tortillas that way. Some people like them with a lot more egg. It's not an exact science. You can do it your way. All right, here we've got a tortilla de patata with bacon. I'm going to cover that. I've turned it from medium high down to medium low. And once it's ready, I will give it a flip. And check that out. It's a spicy chorizo tortilla de patata. And this is going to be my masterpiece. And here is the final result. We have a bacon tortilla de patata, a green pepper tortilla de patata, and a chorizo, spicy chorizo tortilla de patata. And of course, in Spain, we always eat that with bread. And as this will be dinner tonight, we'll go ahead and have a salad with that as well. So there you have it. So now you see just how easy it is to add in whatever ingredients you think will taste good in your Spanish omelet. Also, I encourage you to think of this recipe as a doorway into Spanish culture. Go ahead and check out the article that goes with this video and you will see just how much you can learn about the culture of Spain through this one simple, delicious recipe. There's a link below this video if you found us on YouTube, or maybe you're already inside that article. And finally, I would like to give a special thanks to Esther from Spain. She is studying in Oregon this year, and she made a tortilla de patata for her host family and shared the experience with us. You'll also find that in the article. And I would just like to mention that hosting an exchange student is a great way to explore the cuisine of any country that you're interested in around the world. So thank you for joining me. Please remember to subscribe and you will be first in line for many more videos about cultural diversity and learning how to use it to make your life more fun and more fascinating. Thank you.